I'm Ellen.
And I'm Howie.
And we are here with a very important message about guardianship for our friends and referral sources. Guardianship has received some negative press lately, and we strive to ensure that we inform our friends, our family, our referral sources, our clients about everything that's necessary in the world of elder law. So, what has guardianship been the subject of? Guardianship is the court of last resort, and we strive to use it as sparingly as possible. We do that by insisting our clients obtain advance directives like durable powers of attorney, living wills, designations of healthcare surrogates. We turn away more guardianships than we bring because we look at guardianship with a very critical eye. And if there is any way to avoid a guardianship using advance directives or a trust, we always try and do that. In addition, we always try to see if we can have a collaborative approach with the issues and avoid court intervention as much as possible. The last thing we want is the court to be in charge of decisions of a vulnerable adult. We want all vulnerable individuals to have made their own decisions before they became vulnerable and to have those decisions implemented by the trusted people they chose to do so.
And I would add that some of the negative press that Ellen referred to talks about abuses within the guardianship system. And it is unfortunate that in a small number of cases, there are situations where these abuses occur. We're well aware of those situations, and we highly scrutinize our cases. We work, as Ellen said, collaboratively with the families and opposing counsel in all of our guardianships. If it can be avoided, we avoid it, and we only bring it where it's absolutely necessary. But notwithstanding those small number of cases where the abuses occur, the guardianship system and the role of guardians in our society and here in the state of Florida is critical. There are so many people that have not signed advance directives, that have not planned in advance, and who benefit from the many safeguards and protections that are inherent in our guardianship system. And without the appointment of a guardian, those individuals would not have anybody to help them manage their affairs and make critical healthcare decisions for them.
And I'll just add, lastly, that sometimes we're in a situation where we have children of a vulnerable adult whom cannot get along no matter what. If it's pouring raining, one will say it's raining and the other will say it's sunny. And in those instances, the use of a professional guardian is often very helpful. Professional guardians serve an important role in those situations because they are the decision maker strictly for the vulnerable adult. They have no personal or ulterior motive in the matter, and they can usually calm everything down as far as litigation goes and just manage the vulnerable adult's life with input, always with input from the vulnerable adult's children. We represent many professional guardians who are top quality, who are professional, and who are excellent in what they do, and who, without them, the vulnerable adults would be stuck in a circle of expensive litigation or have no one to make decisions for them. We appreciate you listening to this guardianship update. We are always available for any emails or calls with questions that you may have regarding guardianship. And I'll caution you to remember not to believe everything you read from the press. Thank you for listening.